AI is everywhere, from your phone's autocorrect to helping developers write code faster. Now here's a serious question to every student out there. Are you using AI to grow your skills, or are you using AI to skip the struggle? Today, I'll show you 7 AI-powered hacks that can skyrocket your DSA mastery without making you dependent on it. Because at SmartInterviews, we believe AI should support your learning but not replace the logic. Let's be honest. Many students are using ChatGPT and AI to directly get the quick solutions. You'll simply copy-paste the question, get the code and submit it. Here's what's really happening. You are skipping the struggle, and that's exactly where learning lies. DSA isn't about solving problems. It's about thinking, debugging, and going step by step for a problem. Today's hacks aren't about using AI to solve problems for you. It is about using AI to make you a good problem solver. Let's start with the first one. AI for concept clarity. For an example, when you're solving complex problems like recursion and backtracking, you can use AI to understand it. You can simply ask it to explain like you are 10 years old. So with the help of this, you'll understand the concept, and then you can go to the code without the help of AI. And the second one is AI for visualization. Have you ever struggled to picture your code? How is it running step by step? You can use tools like Python Tutor and etc. These backend visualizers. You can use AI algorithm visualizations, which will show how your stacks grow, loops run, and seeing logic in motion will help you remember it forever. Third one is AI for learning patterns, not problems. Instead of asking AI for solution, ask it what kind of pattern does this problem fall under, like sliding window, two-pointer, or greedy. This one mindset shift will turn you from a coder into a pattern recognizer, the real DSA mastery zone. Fourth one is AI for roadmap and resume building. You can use AI to build your personalized roadmaps and resumes based upon your level. You can mention your level, beginner, intermediate, or advanced, and ask it to build a 6 months or 3 months prep plan. That way, you can focus on solution, not distraction. And the fifth one is AI for daily micro revision. Want to stay consistent? Ask AI to quiz you daily on 5 random DSA topics. It's like having your own revision partner, which will help you understand what you should practice next. And the sixth one is AI for system design and real-world examples. Once you're strong in DSA, ask AI to simulate some real-world example which are related to DSA, like how stacks are working in browsers and how queues are working in operating systems. That's how you connect DSA to industry logic, something product companies love in interviews. And the last and important one is AI for feedback, not code. Once you have written a code, this is the most important one. Never let AI write your code. You write the code on your own and give it to the AI after writing it. Instead, once you have solved a problem, ask AI to review it. Ask it about the time complexity, space complexity, ask it about the edge cases that you have missed, and let it give the feedback. That's how you grow, by learning from mistakes, but not skipping them. At SmartInterviews, we have seen a clear pattern. The students who think first, code, and then debug themselves outperforms those who rely on shortcuts. AI is a great tool, but it can never teach you how to think. So use AI to expand your understanding, but not to skip the effort. Because the habit of solving problems on your own builds confidence, clarity, and your placement readiness. Am I using AI to learn the problem in a smart way or to skip the effort? Master DSA in a smart way with logic, discipline, and right mentorship. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with the smartest ways to crack your dream job.